Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, with an increase of 1.66%. This translates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may be expected. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential decrease of approximately 3.86% in the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 14.31% to negative 1.07%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 41.56% over the next year, with potential returns between 31.92% and 56.11%. This would result in a projected price range of approximately $323.93 to $383.33 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.126% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 21st of February, 2025. The price fell from $245.86 to $245.55. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.42%, reaching a low of $245.22 and a high of $248.69. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 5.29% over the past 2 weeks. The volume for the last day saw an increase of 22 million shares, despite the decline in prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 53 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $13 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 5.59%, or $14.54, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. This week, Apple has seen a significant increase in its stock despite a general decline in the broader market, positioning the company favorably amidst downturns in other sectors. On the 21st of February, Apple made news by announcing its decision to withdraw its most secure cloud storage service from the United Kingdom. This move signifies a strategic shift as the company navigates regulatory pressures. The withdrawal aims to balance commitments to user privacy with governmental requests for access, highlighting the ongoing tension between American tech companies and UK authorities. The immediate impact of this decision may elicit mixed reactions from investors, as concerns regarding privacy could affect consumer trust and, in turn, sales. Furthermore, with the forthcoming release of Warren Buffett's annual shareholder letter, there is growing anticipation for updates regarding Apple's performance and investment strategies, which could further sway market sentiment. On a more positive note, a discussion between former President Trump and Apple CEO Tim Cook indicates a commitment to invest billions in the United States, potentially alleviating concerns over tariffs and bolstering Apple's domestic operations. As Apple continues to adapt to regulatory and market challenges, its ability to sustain consumer trust while ensuring profitability will be essential. In the long term, these developments could either pave the way for a prolonged stock rally or prompt a reevaluation of its market position, depending on how adeptly Apple manages the delicate balance between privacy and compliance. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a grade of reduce, along with an action to upgrade. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Jefferies reported a grade of underperform for Apple Inc., with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Goldman Sachs rated Apple Inc. with a buy grade and also recommended a hold. Again on Wednesday, the 19th of February, Loop Capital Markets rated Apple Inc. with a hold grade and suggested a downgrade action. Lastly, on that same Wednesday, UBS gave Apple Inc. an overweight grade and recommended a hold. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections downward, support levels are observed at $243.39 and $236.01. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Although some negative signals have been issued, which could impact the near-term outlook, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20th, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 0.126%. Continued downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's take a closer look at the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Currently, Apple finds support at $236, a level that may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock displays average daily movements and maintains a healthy trading volume, categorizing the risk as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.47 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.42%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal, often observed in companies with established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.61. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $249.79. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $236. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of February in the year 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the first day of February in the year 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the first day of February in the year 2025, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 25.772. Overall, insiders purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $238.66, indicating a decline of 2.81%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which suggests a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this moment, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning one should consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, February 24th, we anticipate that Apple will open at 94 cents higher, starting trading at $246.49. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.